guys? We got something special here today. We picked up. I did my NFA paperwork for this. PTR Jack 12 gauge. It's like the Super Shorty, but you know, different manufacturer. I just saw it in the store. Me and my son have been looking at it, and we're like, one of us got to get this sucker. It sat there for a while, you know, and we were kind of scared of the wait time on the NFA because you just never know. Well, the good news was once the ATF got the paperwork on this thing, it only took 24 hours to get approved, so that's good news. All right, let's open up and look at it. This is the box it comes in. Kind of neat. Kind of looks like an airsoft box. It's got the specs on the back. Cool. So let's take a look at this little dream boat. All right, got it all packaged up in some bubble wrap. There we go. Look at here. Look at yeah. Got a chamber flag in there, tucked in there. And let's see what it comes with. Price tag, we gotta get rid of that quick. Owner's manual, and it's got a lock. The New Jersey chamber lock. That comes with a lot of stuff. And, I don't know what else is in there. Might be a sticker or something in there, but then we've got this paperwork here. Looks like a QR code to get your warranty card. And supplemental manual for the any other weapon. So yeah, it's not a short-barreled shotgun. By definition, it's any other weapon. So let me get this price tag off of here. All right, so yeah, the wife could come home at any moment, since it's my lunch break and she gets off around this time, so we don't need her walking in during the video and seeing the price tag. That could cause a domestic situation, so y'all learn from me. All right, so we got a sticker here. Here's the sticker that I was looking for. Cool. And let's move the box out of the way. Take a look at this sucker here. And it's obviously clear with the chamber flag. This came just like from the store, just like this. It's a chopped down, he said it's made off of a Mossberg 500 series based shotgun. I don't know which one, 500, 590, something like that maybe. Beautiful though, beautiful. I know you're thinking, what's the use of this thing, right? Range toy and home defense is what I'm thinking. And if you wanted to use it for a truck gun, I guess you could. There's no sights. So, let's get this chamber flag out. I'll tell you, these grips are amazing. I really like these grips. These Hogue grips. I see some people swap out this front grip and put like a more vertical one on, but man, it feels great. So that's it, guys. Real nice. And we're gonna take it out to the range and see how she shoots. But yeah, we should be able to get plenty of videos. Oh, there's something in here. Let's see what this is. Quality inspection form. Look at her. Jack. Model Jack. Inspected by WJ on 10/9/25. Alright, well, that's sweet. Nice to know. Little quality control there. But that's what we got. Shouldn't do this too much outside. The neighbors might hear that and they'd be like, what is he doing out there playing with a shotgun? I'll just tell them it's airsoft. No. But anyway, yeah, let's take it out to the range and see how she shoots. Damn it.
4. All right, let me know when.
Yep, let's do it.
The laser's hard to turn off though.
Yeah, it is.
One.
And that's it. All right, guys, we out of here.